ELL-822SB Active Phased Array Jammer Pod. Accurate, directional, and very powerful response against hostile radar threats. Cutting-edge electronic steering technology implemented in this pod makes it the most effective ECM jammer available today against all types of radar threats in a modern combat arena. Based on Elta's well-known best-selling ELL-822 pod configuration, this compact, lightweight, and low-drag pod is similar in contour to air-to-air missiles and may be installed on outer wing stations of fighter aircraft as well as on other aircraft types. Elta's ELL-822SB Active Phased Array Jammer Pod provides significant enhancement to the survivability of aircraft operating behind enemy lines in a dense radar-guided threat environment and contributes to the successful execution of their mission. Our force mission is to attack a ground target deep in enemy territory. The aircraft are equipped with Elta's ELL-822SB Active Phased Array Jammer Pods. The route to the target and the target area are protected by SAM batteries and unknown number of fighter aircraft.
Shark 1 and 2 attacking the main target, 3 and 4 paralyzing the SAM batteries. Roger, Shark 1, Fox formation providing air-to-air coverage.
Elta's cutting-edge active phased array ECM pod is transmitting accurate and narrowly focused high-powered directional beams that blind all enemy radars in the combat arena. The level of protection provided by this revolutionary ECM pod gives the crew the ability to concentrate fully on carrying out the mission.
Shark and Fox, mission 4 is mission accomplished. All aircraft safe. We are heading for home.
Elta's ELL-822SB Active Phased Array Jammer Pod. Protect the crew, accomplish the mission.